How to delete account in TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be showing you process to complete it up. So you can head over and launch the TikTok app on your mobile device for that. And then make sure you are logged in into the account that you wanna delete. So make sure you are logged in. And from there you can head over and go over the profile. You should be finding different options on your screen dashboard like home, friends, inbox, and at the very last you can find the option for profile. You can just go ahead and tap on that option in the bottom right corner. And after you tap on it, your profile appears here on your screen with your following followers, etc. You may tap on the three lines at the top right corner or the three dots in the top right corner and open it up, and the menu appears on your screen with bunch of options available. You will look out for the very last option called settings and privacy, and tap on it under your QR code. Tap on it and open it up. Now once you open it up, you can manage your account from here. Head over and find the very first option called account under account and tap on it. And once you do so, here you will be finding a bunch of options such as account information, password, downloaded data, etc. You may look out for the last option, which is deactivate or delete account, and go ahead and tap on it. Now that you tap on it, you may wait for some seconds for that page to appear. And then once it appears, you can select the option. If you'd like to delete account, tap on delete account permanently. Or if you'd like to deactivate account for temporary time, you can select the option called deactivate account. Since we are looking for delete, tap on delete. Once you tap on delete, you can follow up the process. So here, before leaving, you will be given option to give a reason why you would like to delete your account. So select one of the reason, or even you can skip it. Let me just go ahead and select one of the reason and tap on continue. Once you do so, here you will be finding option to download the TikTok data. You can just go ahead and do so before deleting your account. Tap on by continuing and tap on continue. And once you do so, you will be asked that if you'd really like to delete your account. So you can just tap on continue and follow up the process to verify yourself, and your account will be deactivated first for 30 days. During this period, your account is not visible to others and you can even recover your account for 30 days. But after 30 days, TikTok will permanently delete all your account and all your data, and it is permanent. So if you'd also like to delete your TikTok account, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So therefore, we hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.